All right, guys, all you credit repair business owners and hustlers, I get this question a lot. Matter of fact, I get it all the time. I'm confused about ads and I don't know how to run them. Ads are confusing. I get that all the time. Blade, please dumb it down for me. And in this video, we're going to dumb down ads so that you will understand it, okay? Biggest thing about being a business owner is that 100% you cannot specialize in every different aspect. So before we even get into the basic things about paid ads, you need to understand that in order to truly prosper is that you cannot be a specialist in everything. You need to be able to hire people that are smarter than you. Elon Musk, he specifically hires and fires people every single day, and he hires the reason why he's worth $207 billion is somewhere around that. Don't quote me on that. That's the last article I read. But the reason why he's worth billions and billions of dollars is because he's able to hire the most important minds, the most smartest minds. These people that are smarter than Elon Musk are the people that he hires. This is why it consistently works, which is why whenever he asks for investors' money, they just give it to him because he's so confident in what he does, and he reduces because he doesn't have a thing in his mind where, oh, I gotta be the best. No, he's smart about how he does things, and he realized the reason why he's super smart is because he realized he can't specialize in everything, and instead he gets a basic overall concept, and he's able to hire people that are smarter than him to actually do the work for him. That being said, you can't do everything in your business, okay? Please know that you cannot do you can't be a if you truly want to become if you want to truly build a massive empire in your business, you cannot specialize in every aspect of your business. So what I'm trying to say is you need to leverage virtual assistants. If you need help being able to do so, click the link down below. If you need help, schedule a strategy session with me, and I'll be more than happy to help you develop systems and put systems into place that allows you to do these numbers. So let's hop right into this. Blade, my ads are confusing. I don't know how to run ads. I don't understand CPC. I don't understand CTR, bidding strategy, blah, 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 blah. Let me tell you, doesn't matter, all right? Does not matter. As long as you understand the overall concept and you understand one big question. Are my ads making me money? Because if you find out one ad that actually produces results, actually makes you money, all you have to do is just add zeros to it, which I mean by the daily budget. Say it's at $10 a day and it's consistently making you money. All you gotta do is add zeros to that. Make it $100 a day, $1,000 a day, $10,000 a day. You know, just keep on scaling the ad. You know, that's why I call it adding zeros. You know, once you find that winning ad, all you have to do is add zeros to it. That being said, how do I know which ad is the one I want to scale successfully? How do I know? Ads are just confusing. I got you, right? I wrote down some notes here so I don't lose track of what I'm talking about. But pretty much what we guarantee with our people that we coach is a $5 pre-qualified scheduled and confirmed appointment. So every time you spend $5, you get a pre-qualified scheduled appointment out of it. That being said, let's say you get 100 appointments. And by the way, the entire point of this is to figure out the entire point of this is to make sure you're not going over the amount of money that you want to spend to acquire customers. So let's be realistic here. Let's say your client is worth $600 for your lifetime value. Let's say you're willing to spend up to $50 in order to acquire a client. Okay? Well, that's the biggest thing you need to know. And the biggest thing you need to know is this true? And are my ads converting at that rate? Are my ads getting me clients? Are my ads making me money for under $50 per client? Okay, so let's hop right into this. When we coach people, when we show them our course, when we coach people on our program, they're getting appointments. They're getting pre-qualified, scheduled, and confirmed appointments that are at $5 per appointment, per confirmed appointment. That being said, let's say you have 100 appointments. 100 appointments will cost you $500. Okay, let's say you have a 20% close rate. So out of those 100 appointments, you close 20 of them. Okay, so you're spending $500. You got 20 closed appointments, 20 deals done. Now, those 20 deals, each one 20 times 600, which is your lifetime value of a client. 600 times 20 is $1,200 minus the $500 in ad spend. $11,500 is what you're coming out and profiting in. So pretty much the biggest thing you need to know with paid ads are my ads making me money? That's it. You don't have to understand CTR. You don't have to understand the click-through rate, okay? You don't understand cost per click. No. That's what your virtual assistants do, all right? And if you don't have a virtual assistant, you need to leverage virtual assistants. okay? Because you can't be doing everything in your business, okay? So, if you need help putting systems into place to get you that $5 pre-qualified scheduled and confirmed appointment, call us up. Click the link down below, schedule a strategy session with us, and we're more than happy to explain exactly word for word how we get a pre-qualified scheduled appointment at $5. Okay, so let's run these numbers up again one more time. All right, I want you guys to make sure you know this. So let's say we want a lifetime value of a client is $600. We want to get clients at $50. Okay, it's where we profit $550. Okay, so we're willing to spend $50. Let's say we get a pre-qualified scheduled and confirmed appointment for $5. So every time you put in $5 in this machine for these ads, you get a pre-qualified scheduled and a confirmed appointment. Okay, every single time you spend $5. Let's say you want 100 appointments. 100 appointments is $500. Okay, let's say you close at a 20% close rate. 100 appointments times 20%. That would be 20 closed appointments. Okay, 20 closed appointments times $600. $600 is the lifetime value of a client. $600 times 20 makes 12 grand. Now 12 grand minus the initial ad spend of $500 leaves you with $11,500. Ooh, crazy, right? Now imagine having a team of closers, and you can really truly understand how powerful paid ads are. Because like I said, once you find this paid ad that we teach you, once we teach you how to get this paid ad and putting the system into place with this amazing CRM that we have available, once you figure out how to onboard clients on demand with the systems you put into place, literally what you have to do is be in like Hawaii and watch those numbers on your Stripe account rise. It's beautiful. Truly, truly beautiful. And that's freedom right there, okay? So that $5 pre-qualified scheduled appointment is very, very powerful. And having that CRM to onboard those clients on demand are very, very powerful too. So if you need help implementing these strategies to be able to get you clients with absolutely predictability, if you need some of that in your life to get clients with predictability, click the link down below, schedule a strategy session with me or my team, and we're more than happy to literally dive deep into your business, go about it like word for word. I'm asking you a bunch of questions, and I'll come out with a full proposal. Be like, listen, this is what you need to do. This, and this is what you need to do. This is what you got to stop doing, and this is what we got to cut out. You know, this is the system you need to put in place. I'm more than happy to share all my secrets on how we make businesses super, super successful with exactly this, a $5 pre-qualified scheduled and confirmed appointment. Doesn't that sound amazing? So guys, for all you that were confused about paid ads, I really hope this video helped, okay? Because I think this is very important. A lot of people were asking me this question. I really hope this question helped you understand paid ads and understand that truly, in order to create your enterprise, you can't do everything yourself. You need people that specialize into this type of thing. You can't be there in front of your computer, because this is not a full-time job running these ads. You can't be in front of your computer and just, well, it's not really a full-time job you're doing for yourself. You might have to spend like an hour a day, maybe 2 hours a day. But that being said, like, why reinvent the wheel when somebody already knows how to make the wheel? Maybe that wasn't the best analogy, but why spend time on something that you might do as good when you can hire somebody, pay them really $5 an hour, and they would do 1,000 times better than you? Okay, leverage virtual assistants, put systems into place that onboards clients on demand, and then you will have predictability in your business. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys need help with anything, like I said, schedule a strategy session with me and join my Facebook group. We put out tons of value just like this. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.